Hello crocheters! In this video, I will show you how to crochet these beautiful plumeria hair clips without gluing each petal together. There's also a free pattern available on Ko-fi with some photos showing you how to add beader strings to your work. So if you are interested, check it out in the description below. Now, without further ado, grab your hook and let's crochet. These are materials that we need. These are abbreviations. First, make a magic ring. There are many ways to do a magic ring, so use the method that you like. For me, I like to wrap the yarn around my fingers, just like when I'm going to make a slip knot, just like this. However, do not tighten the loop. Chain 1, then make 4 single crochets in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Now make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. This is what the first round looks like. Then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then skip the first 3 chains. In the fourth chain, make 1 triple crochet. In the next chain, make 1 half triple crochet. In the next chain, make 1 double crochet. In the next 2 chains, make 1 half double crochet each. In the last chain, make a single crochet. Then slip stitch into the same single crochet stitch that we made chains. Repeat the pattern 4 more times, but from now on we are going to slip stitch in the next single crochet stitch instead. I will show you one more time and then we will meet again at the end of the round. slip stitch in the next single crochet stitch. Repeat the pattern 3 more times and we will meet again at the end. This is what it looks like after we have crocheted 5 petals. Now we will place a slip stitch in the previous slip stitch. Now to start the outer petals, chain 1. The first side here has 6 stitches, so we are going to crochet in each stitch. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, make another half double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. First double crochet, second double crochet. In the last stitch of this side, make 1 double crochet, 1 half triple crochet, and 1 triple crochet. Then, under the chains, make 2 triple crochets. 1, and 2. Next, on the other side, there are also 6 stitches, so we will work the pattern in reverse. So make 1 triple crochet, 1 half triple crochet, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, make 1 half double crochet in each stitch. In the last stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then slip stitch in the hole of the magic ring. Chain 1. Repeat the pattern 4 more times, and then we will meet again at the end. Now this is what it looks like after you have crocheted 5 petals. To finish the work, chain 1. Now you can cut off the yarn and use a darn needle to sew in the back a little bit and tie it with another yarn end at the back. Lastly, we are going to glue the flower with the hair clip. If you have a felt patch, you can fold it in half and then use scissors to clip two sides like this. Now we will have two holes in the patch, then use the hair clip to insert it like this. Finally, use hot glue to glue around the felt. Last but not least, if you want to add more colors to your flower, you can use oil pastels. I prefer using the lighter colors to paint first and then follow with the darker ones. And then we are done! Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next tutorial.